Oh, this is your, oh, you never get these. Remember these from back in the day? Faith. I have faith in my car. She's gonna need some suspension work and definitely some tie rods. Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are back with another big reveal video. Yeah, I have purchased something. It's not an electric bike. It's bigger than a bread box. It's bigger than a bike box. It is not an MG midget. So what could it be? That is a backbone to something. They got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
Well, I'll tell you, I won the auction actually today, about 2 hours ago, and the vehicle is on its way here right now. I won the auction once again for 350 bucks. I couldn't turn it down. Feast your eyes. Yeah, you knew this was coming. Check her out. For the first time, she's in better shape than I thought. I mean, just the initial. Wow. Hi, how are you? Is it okay if I film this? It's for a YouTube channel.
Absolutely.
You guys do such good work. I always call Vern and he's boom, boom, boom. Well, I'm glad you found it. It looks really good.
Yeah, this is a clean little car. I was really surprised when they brought it out. I'm like,
$350 at auction. Yeah. So when you add all the fees in, and plus they charge you for a non-cash payment nowadays. It's all the crazy fees. $700 for that.
you still ain't on.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I love these things. I love them.
I passed a couple of that on the highway there, and they kept speeding up, riding alongside of me, looking.
Oh no! Well, good.
Like,
Making them jealous already.
yeah, getting the attention.
Look at her. Oh my goodness. If you could see. I love it. Look at this. It's got a terrible tint job, but that's okay. No biggie. We have some scuffing here. This can all get addressed. Look at her. Now I do think she's been sitting for a while. We have Turanza tires. They're a little cracked, so maybe she's been sitting for a while. But they do match on this side. Yeah, look at the cracking right there. Oh, we'll have to check the date codes on those. Oh, and look at my fluffy pillow. I get a cool pillow in the back. All right. Whoa, and I tell you what, this is Faucet Towing, and if you happen to be here in Tulsa, this is my go-to guy. These guys are the best. So nice, and like I said, I bought the car. Listen to her. Wow. Look at that. You got it. She sounds really good. Okay, we do have some paint issues on top, and we'll do something with the pinstriping, but look at that. Look at my fluffy pillow. We get to do the walk around. What do you want to see first? I'm gonna make you wait. We're gonna see the trunk first. We're gonna do this. I know, okay, this is bad. And this is a blue-black metallic color, so it's not a black car. Okay, we're missing the trunk cover, but that's okay because there's two at my LKQ. Look at that. A little bit of rust in here. That's okay, we'll get under here and look. What is this? I don't even know what this is. This is from 1986. I don't even know what this is. Hold on. Oh, this is your, oh, you never get these. You never get this. They're always missing. That's for the road. So people know you can set this up. Look, here, we'll do it right here. Oh, yes. Here it is. Like here. And it's something here, just like that. And then this guy snaps in. Look at that. Road hazard. Here's your thumbnail. No, I'm kidding. Look at her. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. I don't know what it is about these old Mercedes. that just make me smile. I do. I love them. There's a definite old Mercedes smell right here. Look at this. Ooh, let's check the gas. You ready to smell with me? Take a whiff. Okay, that doesn't smell too bad. It doesn't. Yeah, the seller was not an insurance company. It runs and drives. It was just like a normal wear and tear type of situation. But oh my goodness. I gotta breathe. My heart is going so hard. Oh, look at the paint right here. That's okay. I've got a guy that can fix it. I got a guy that can fix that. Okay, we're gonna open the back door. We're working our way to the front. Oh, remember these from back in the day? Oh, she smells like a grandma. She definitely smells like a grandma drove her. And look, grandma had a little fluff pillow that says, faith. I have faith in my car. I have complete faith. Look at these seats. There is some cleaning necessary. Oh, and even the headliner is still in good. There's a little dent right there. We can fix that. Not a big deal. Do I get the... Oh my gosh, these seats are incredibly soft. Is there still the... Yep. You have your emergency medical kit on that side. And even more Band-Aids and everything over here. This is cool. This is very, very cool. But this is very... Wow. Old school horsehair and everything. Now, I will say this isn't my favorite color combination, but for $700, 700 bucks. Look at this. What do you think's under here? Is it going to be torn up, or is Grandma protecting the seats because they're in such good shape? Oh, Grandma's protecting the seats. Look at that. What over here? I might even keep these. Look at that. It's in perfect shape. Okay, now the great big test. What's under here? W-A-W. She even had this monogrammed. Okay. It's in great shape. Oh, one little crack. Oh, good job, Grandma. Good job, W-A-W. Oh, well, okay, so there's a crack right there. Not a big deal. I'll probably get rid of that anyway. Look at the wood. Like I say, not the best wood I've had recently, but decent. It'll do. It'll work. Mileage, 228. That's okay. Nope. Oh, there's our flaw. Grandma had some dusty elbows or something. What happened here? That's where she put her elbow when she was driving her around, and it just, ugh. But it's okay. Like I said, I think there are 2 of these at the LKQ here in Tulsa. We got a badge. Stuttgart, Germany, Mercedes-Benz European Delivery Program. If I remember right, you pick this up in Germany, you drive it around, take it on the Autobahn, and then they ship it home to you. Ooh, we have what I would call a very, very honest engine. We'll clean it out. I don't see any chewed wires or anything, and you heard it run. We have a little Duralast battery. What's the date? I can't see the date. I think it's right down in there. Let me know if you can read it. Is it secured? No. Oh, hello. We'll get rid of, oh, another one. So she's been sitting for a while. You know what? I think Grandma probably passed away, and then the kids decided not to keep her car. This was Grandma's pride and joy. We're gonna make it even better. Notice R134A retrofit procedure. She's been converted. She has been converted to 134A, I think. But this should be a little different. Nope, that's a big one, I think. I think it has been. Okay. Good job, Grandma. Good job. Okay, so we can take this off because it's officially ours. Oh, 04 of 02, back when they... There it is. Okay. Let go. Let go. Okay. Yeah, back when the state of Oklahoma used to do inspections, I think, yeah, this is just easy. That's easy to remove. That's that stick on. We have owner's manual. I didn't even check the other glove box. Let's just kind of see what we got going on here. Can you tell I am so excited about this? Okay. Oh! Build sheet. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice to have. Owner's manual. And all your booklets. Here we go. Maintenance booklet. Oh! Look at this. Okay, well, this is going to tell us how it was cared for. Oh, we do need a new one of those. When you first bought it. Oh, that's the guy's name. It's a dude from Missouri. Is this a one-owner car? The guy's name was Wallace. You know, I got to run a VIN on this. Castrol 2050, which is what you're supposed to use back in the day, in 87, 88, Springfield, Missouri, 88, lubrication, maintenance 89, lubrication 89, maintenance 90, lubrication in 90, Quaker State, Valvoline 2050, 92, and then it kind of stops. Oh, here's one. Major service here in Tulsa in 93. What other booklets? Do we get the radio? Look at this. Build plate and your owner's manual. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Love it, love it, love it. And some black eyes. You know, I like that smell. Okay, the seat. Oh, she sits a little askew. I'm kind of going like this, but you can fix that because you get a passenger seat. And you just kind of switch it out. What's in here? Touch-up paint. Good to know. And let's just see what she's going to do. What is this? A Mercedes. Mercedes key. Can you hear the exhaust? You see anything under there? I think we may have an exhaust leak. Look at this though. This is all good in through here. It's just that one crack. What about this seat? Did Wallace protect his seats? He did. They're not ripped at all. Oh, Wallace, good job. What about over here? Look at this. Perfect. Perfect condition. Your side bolster, usually this is all worn. Sometimes it's even worn through. Wallace was careful getting in and out of his car. The leather on these seats is so nice. Okay, well, we're just gonna have to take it down the street. Look at your view. Okay, the brake isn't the best. Oh, you know what? I just noticed. Windshield. Doggone it. We do have half a tank of gas. And I can feel every, ooh. Okay, she's gonna need some suspension work. And definitely some tie rods. I can feel them moving, oh shoot, back and forth. The brakes kind of work. I don't know why that buzzer keeps buzzing. This is not deterring me at all. I love this. What do you think about these old cars? The W126. I had the 91 560 SEL that was in perfect condition. This is not anything like that, but it's going to be very, very close by the time that I'm through with it. It doesn't have the great colors either, but this is a great, great starting point. Yeah, Wallace, thank you so much for taking care of my car. You were just keeping it for me since 1986. I love it. Oh my gosh. But I don't think this works. I don't think that works. So the mileage is going to be a little more than we anticipated, or a lot more. But I don't care because it runs and it drives, and that's going to give me an opportunity to paint these little needles right here. See how this one is kind of an orange? You can get model paint. I actually have some already, and you can paint them and they look brand new. And they're fluorescent. Use that fluorescent paint and it looks fantastic. What do you think this does? You think this works? Oh, it's trying. Oh, it's trying. Okay. We'll let that self kind of work itself free. Does this window work? Yep. What about you? Do you want to work? Oh, you're slow. These things have not been... Oh, I got to lube them up. What about you? You do. You're okay. And you over here, my friend? Yep. We'll have to lubricate all of the windows. I think the radio may need a little work. That's okay. I think I have one that'll work, though. Does the antenna? Nope, the antenna does not work. Can you see it in the mirror right there? Nope. Does the light? Yes, the light works. For $700 all day long. All day long. And she's just now starting to heat up on me. This is a little broken. So we'll have to add this to our list, plus this, plus the antenna, plus a radio, and then we'll get new tie rods and maybe even control arms and just see how it's working here. But this is so, so amazing. Color me happy. Absolutely. Folks, thank you very much for watching this video. I don't know if you're getting tired of these Mercedes. I love them. I love keeping them on the road. They have never disappointed me. Okay, some of them have disappointed me, but not as much as other brands, okay? I mean, it's just in such good shape right here. Okay, let me know what you think about this. Did I go wrong? Are you tired of seeing the Mercedes at $700? All in on a car, too much to spend, with at least 228,017 miles, probably 250,000, the way that it tries to steer and everything. It still buzzes a little bit. That's all right. All right, leave your comment below, everybody. We're going to begin the rebuild on this very, very soon. I still have, of course, the 95 Mercedes wagon we're working on. I have the Saab we're still working on. I have the E320 wagon we're working on, and my tried and true S500 over there, the next body style after this one. That's the great debate. Is the 126 better than the W140? All right, if you're a Mercedes person, let me know. Do you like the W140s or the 126s? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another one. We got to come up with a name for it as well. Yep, we do. Okay. Bye-bye.